I probably would have won most of the immunity challenges. I also hated the idea that the top three would be you, Ervik, and Solen. But because you were the only one who played the game, I would have given you my vote.
I've been on the jury for 2 weeks, and I've been listening to everything they've been saying. And one day they'll say one thing, the next day they'll say something that contradicts what they said the previous tribal council. And I have to be quiet. I've been quiet for 2 weeks, so now it's my turn to speak. So I have a lot to say.
Kabado rin lahat kasi you don't know how to start. May iba, napaglaruan talaga yung emosyon. May iba, gusto mo tanungin kung na-personal. Parang, tapos, sa amin nakasalalay kung sino ba talaga yung dapat manalo 3 million. So, ang hirap nung... mahirap din talaga maging jury dahil ikaw ang, alam mo yun, sa inyo manggagaling kung sino yung dapat.
Lord, papunta po kami ngayon sa Tribal Council. Lord, hindi po
may mga questions ka ba rin about siya nandun, especially doon sa kay Ervik dahil siya yung talagang naging ka-close namin ni Moy and siya lang talaga yung parang inisip ko na tatanungin ko ng marami. Hindi naman gigisahin pero sa kanya lang talaga eh.
Sundan bukas.
Grabe talaga yung sakit ng ginawa niya sa akin. May right din ako eh.
Gaya nga na sinabi ko sa inyo, huwag niyo ako iboto ngayon. Patutunayan ko, after ng Survivor, andito ako para sa inyo.
Ayun nga. Huwag mo akong turuan magsinungaling kasi ako, pwede ako mag-lie at alam ko kung kailan ko gagamitin.
And you think that when we got to the merge, it was your plan?
Sabi ko, isa
Shut up!
Isa
I'm talking.
Salita.
Hey, you had your chance. I listened to your 2 weeks, like I said.